Today, in the period of vulnerability, monetary security and the speed of exchanges are vital for the development of economies. At last, everything reduces to a sealed and exceptionally secure system that could be useful to store and re-establish all information on the blockchain-empowered stage, where exchanging could be worked with alongside quicker installments and exchanges, and all disposing of the job of mediators, a consequence of hard and impeccable work. The outline of Torrential Slide, a seed thought that was conceptualized by Cornell specialist Emin Gunsire in September 2020, mostly putting together the stage with respect to blockchain calculations fundamentally to resolve the issues of sped-up, decentralization, and security. With this sort of vigorous blockchain innovation, the Torrential Slide network will go about as a critical power supporter demonstrating progressive in the realm of installment, as an impetus to empower quick-fire exchanges in the worldwide installment environment. Torrential Slide will carry revolutionary change to back. Torrential Slide environment is completely viable with Ethereum resources, applications, and devices with quicker speeds, higher throughput orders, and lower expenses. It is an umbrella stage for sending off DeFi applications, resources, exchanging, and different administrations for blockchain engineers. It permits anybody to send off or exchange any type of resource and control it a decentralized way utilizing brilliant agreements and other cutting-edge innovations. An essential distinction between Torrential Slide blockchain and other blockchain stages is its administration system. Marking rewards are dependent upon dynamic changes as the framework develops. Torrential Slide, the innate potential. Without a doubt, the Torrential Slide blockchain has extraordinary potential and will generally be the most alluring digital currency, fundamentally for its local token, Avax, which guarantees high exchange security combined with speed scaling 1 trillion every second. No big surprise the consistently dynamic group of qualified mathematicians and cryptographers is creating and keeping up with the Torrential Slide digital money, arising as an incredibly powerful and energetic power. Avax will be the pick and selection of brokers, particularly in light of the fact that it has endured over the extreme long haul. Likewise, financial backers have found a variable of dependability implanted in this token. The badge of Avax capabilities is a prizes and installment framework for clients. Torrential Slide, the people group and organizations. The primary point of the Torrential Slide local area isn't to lead exclusively on the development way. The Torrential Slide local area is humming about its achievements and gigantic commitment, particularly after Torrential Slide opened Denali testnet. It approved the force of Torrential Slide agreement and light design that offers more even-handed interest rather than costly equipment, being recorded on prominent computerized cash trades like Coinbase and Binance. Avax offers its dealers a protected and trustworthy stage, empowering lesser charges and a plenty of computerized resources for single out from. Torrential Slide stage has likewise marked a settlement with different environments like Chainlink, Bilira, and so forth, taking its forceful mechanical drives to a higher level. The essential objective behind organizations is to construct a philanthropic local area around the world, subsequently making an equivalent, practical, and decentralized world. Aside from these discussions, Avax has made further improvements in its organization and its acknowledgement all over the planet. On June 10, 2022, Japan's top crypto trade OKCoin recorded Avax. Merchants and financial backers are good to go for the recipe erase end of the week. Aside from this, the Torrential Slide establishment has additionally sent off Multiverse. This new impetus program will uphold new environments, NFTs, DeFi, as well as institutional use cases. Adding to this rundown, Kalau has likewise held hands with Avax to fabricate items for NFT brokers and makers. This will assist them with encountering NFTs in new frictionless and easy ways. Ultimately, one of the greatest reconciliation is that of Chainlink managers and Chainlink YRF incorporating with the essential Torrential Slide organization. This reconciliation will be super beneficial for the token as it will decrease the responsibility and improve the uptime and security of the shrewd agreements. The ongoing cost of a VAX is $18.43, with a market capitalization of $5,408,967,424. The 24 hours exchanging volume of the AVAX token is $381,292,309, with a flowing stock of $294,713,816.16 AVAX on the lookout. In light of a VAX cost conjecture, a drawn-out increment isn't normal. The cost guess for long-term end is $1.36. They accept that your ongoing venture might be debased from here on out. The Torrential Slide cost expectation expect solidifying patterns that point towards the way that there is potential for the AVAX value that might show a higher opinion. The cost could cross $126.92 toward 1 year's end. Toward the start of 2022, the torrential slide cost was around $112. The ongoing cost of a VAX is $18.43, which shows that the cost fell has been exceptional. The determined torrential slide cost toward the finish of 2022 is $23.97, and the year-to-year change will be around plus 31%. Toward the finish of 2022, the cost of torrential slide will be around $22.76. The greatest and least costs for 2023 might be around $55.84 and $49.55. Separately, their torrential slide cost forecast shows that toward the finish of December 2025, the cost might be $128.39, as per our torrential slide cost expectations. The future cost could arrive at somewhere near the $56.35 mark in the following a year, making it a productive speculation. The torrential slide cost is gauged to reach $21.69 by the start of December 2022. The normal greatest cost is $27.12, with a base exchanging cost of $18.44. Torrential slide cost expectation for multi-month end are $21.69. Torrential slide value forecast 2022. Until the end of the year, the base cost and greatest cost are supposed to be $20 and $39 separately, as indicated by our AVAX cost forecast 2022 in specialized examination. Simultaneously, the typical cost might be $29.50 with a difference in 95%. Torrential slide value expectation for October 2022. For the period of October, our AVAX cost expectation for 2022 demonstrates the base and greatest costs of $24 and $28, while the market feeling recommends a typical cost of $26. Torrential slide value forecasts November 2022. The AVAX cost gauge organized by our specialists recommends that the coin will exchange a scope of $28 to $32 in November 2022. The previous is supposed to be the base worth, while the last option is the greatest worth. Torrential slide value expectation for December 2022. Our AVAX cost forecasts uncovered that the coin will have a base, most extreme, and normal cost of $33, $39, and $35.50 individually. Torrential slide value expectation 2023. In light of our torrential slide cost expectation for the approaching year, the AVAX coin might have least and most extreme costs of $42 and $55 separately. The adjustment of the cost is supposed to be around 30.95%, with a typical cost of $48.50. Torrential slide value forecast 2024. As per torrential slide cost forecast, it is assessed that the coin exchange between the scope of $60 to $73, where $60 is the base exchanging cost and $73 is the greatest cost. Simultaneously, there are a couple of suppositions that the AVAX coin might have a typical cost of $66.50. Torrential slide value expectation 2025. The torrential slide coin is supposed to have least and most extreme costs of around $72.80.